This video is intended to show you how to get to your Drive. As part of the Google products that you have access to at Damon, you have a Drive that is a place where you can create and store different types of documents. I'm showing you the Drive because that is where you're going to want to save your upcoming presentation. So I'm in my Gmail. This is my Damon email. And if I go over to this item that looks like a waffle and I hover over it, it tells me that this is the Google Apps. So if I click on it, it gives me a whole list of choices of different apps that I have access to, one of which is the Drive. So if I click on that, this again takes me to a storage area where I can save documents, presentations, I can create folders, and it's a nice way to save things without using storage space on your computer. When you get ready to create your presentation, you're going to want to go into your Google Drive and then click on this New button, which will give you choices of new items to create. And in this case, we want to create a Google slide. To name the file, right up here at the top, for the purposes of this, I'm just going to name it presentation. I find it helpful to name things by the assignment name. So if this is a nurse theorist presentation, I would call it nurse theorist presentation. I might even include my name. If it's a complementary and alternative presentation, I would put that in. But you can name it whatever you want. Once you have it named, I just want to show you that if you go back to your Drive, and if I type in, I called it presentation, so I'm going to type in presentation and go ahead and hit enter. The first thing that comes up on my list is that presentation. So there is another video that shows you how to create slides for a presentation. So I'm going to stop this video here, and the next one on the list is going to be how to create a presentation.